Hey guys, it's Alicia, and I am from Alicia and Krista's channel. And today I'm gonna do my slime collection. I don't have many slimes, but I have quite a bit, and this one is my first one. It is a blue slime, and it's called Blue Ocean Waves. And it is a very good slime. It's stretchy. It's pokey. It makes really big bubbles, and I have lots more. And I'm selling them only at my school though. So if you go to my school, then subscribe, follow, and maybe you'll get one of these slimes. So this video is not going to be too long, so I'm going to move on to the next slime. The next slime is a yellow slime. I made this slime out of a slime kit. I got a slime kit yesterday for Easter, and I really enjoyed that slime kit. I have a little bit more glue from the slime kit, but not much. So this is the slime. It's crunchy. It's not really pokey. Kind of. And it's kind of stretchy. Not really. It's like a flubber slime, but that's okay. And this one is called Banana because it's yellow. No, lemon. And then I have this green slime. I also made it from the slime kit. This one is really pokey. It's really cool. It's stretchy. And I don't have a name for this one, so if you guys know a name for this green slime. Oh, and it's color changing. It was a dark green, and now it's light green. This is a color changing one too. This one goes into an orange. And this, so if you guys have a name for this green one, then please comment down below and tell me the name. The next one I have is also from the slime kit. This one is not color changing. It's a clear slime. You can see it's still bubbly. I've got to leave it out for another day or two. And this one's a very good slime. This one's like one of my favorites, but the blue one's my favorite. And it's really cool. The next slime I have is not really a slime, it's a putty. And it smells like strawberries. And the name of this slime is called Party Pink. Just trying to open it. Okay. It's a hot pink slime. And it's kind of hard to tell you right now. But it smells so amazing. It's not really slime, but I like to put putties in my a slime video, so it's not pokey, but it is bouncy, and it's really cool. So I like that slime. Putty. I've got a light clay. I got it from a store, and it's black. Some people don't like black, but that's okay. It's clay, but it like feels like slime. Like it's stretchy. It's not pokey though, but it is stretchy, and I like it. And you can like pull it up, but it does not make a bubble. That's okay. Then I have another one like this. And this one is orange. This one's not stretchy. but it's really cool. So, and these, I don't have a name for it because they're not really slimes, they're clays. Last but not least, I have this pink fluffy slime. It's really cool and it's very sticky, so I'm not going to take it out, but it's a very cool slime, and as you can see, it's sticking to me, so that's how sticky it is. But look at that. And it does leak if you spit it down. So it's really cool though. So yeah, this is my first ever video. My friend Krista, this is her channel too, and she's already did like 4 videos, so you should go check it out because she's like talking about stuff in them. And also guys, I just was on looking at videos and I decided to do a slime collection. But if you have any other things that you want me and Krista to do together or by ourselves or something, please comment down below what I can do, because we don't know what we want to do yet. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!